Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well and thank you for joining me for this 20-minute quick flow. This is a great practice to stretch, move, take a short amount of time to get back to your body. We're going to get right into it today and we'll start standing together. As you find the top of your mat, we're going to start by just rolling the shoulders back. 3, 2, and 1. Good. From there, place your hands on your low back and then just open up the front of your body. Good, and then exhale, holding the low back, bend the knees, fold forward, grab opposite elbows. And I invite you to hang your head heavy as you bow down over your legs. Feel the crown of your head reach towards the earth as you lift up through the tailbone. Exhale, deepen your breath. Good, release your hands down to the earth. Inhale, halfway lift to get started. Good, exhale, forward fold. Inhale with soft knees, reach forward and up, full breath in. Exhale, bow forward, breath out. Good, flat back to lengthen your spine. Exhale, high plank, one foot and then the other into your first push-up, lower. Breath in, up dog, cobra, hold. Exhale, look left, look right. And then push through your feet at the very last moment as when we roll over those toes or flip them, however you'd like to call it. Good. Breath in, lift the butt. Exhale, drop the knees. Bring the hands up to the hips. Step the right foot forward all the way to the top of the mat. Lunge into the right knee. Good. Pull the hips back. Lunge in. And pull the hips back. One more time. Lunge forward. Hold. If it feels good, hold the low back like when we started. Open up the front of the body. Full breath here for me. Good. Now frame the foot. Lift the left knee. Inhale, right arm rises. Squeeze the left glute as you twist. 3, 2. Exhale to frame your foot. Pyramid. Left foot steps up and in. Anchor the heel. Fold over your shin. 3. Take your right thumb to the crease of your right hip. Pull it back. 2. Exhale, drop the head a little bit lower and then push down through both feet. Firmly rise up. Good. Step to the top of the mat. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Breath in, halfway lift. Exhale again, high to low plank. Lower the knees if you need to. Maybe a double push-up if you want to really take this 20 minutes and find more work. Exhale to your dog. Breath in through the nose, breathe out through the nose or the mouth, and then exhale, drop the knees. Press up onto the kneecaps, lift the pelvis forward, big step with your left foot. Lunge. Release the lunge, pull it back. Good. 2 more. Lunge. Pull it back. 1 more time. Lunge forward, hold. Keep the hands where they are. Maybe move them to the low back. Inhale as you open up the chest. And by the way, that back foot, it can be tucked or untucked, up to you. Exhale, put your hands down. Pick up your right knee. Inhale, left arm rises. Here's your nice gentle twist. Gazing up to the left thumb for 3. Squeeze the bottom right glute behind you and the one holding you up. 2. Good. Frame the foot. Shorten the stance. Right foot steps up and over. Anchor the right heel for me. Place the thumb in the crease of the left hip. Pull the left hip back. Walk the hands forward. Exhale, fold. 3. Good. Stretch the hamstring. 2. Inhale, take your time, slowly stand, and then step, feet together. Good. Inhale, arms up high. Exhale, breath out, fold. Inhale, lengthen. This time, step the left foot back. Good. Come up onto the ball of your left foot, reach up high, bend the right knee forward. Pull the hands down to heart center. Inhale, breath in. Exhale, lean forward. Reach your arms back, fly your arms, let your chest hover. Good. On your next inhale, reach forward and all the way up. And then exhale, hands to heart. Again, forward with the heart. Reach back with the arms, fly, palms face down, engage your arms. And then inhale, reach up. We'll move into the twist this time. Exhale, hands to heart center, twist. Left elbow over right leg. If this feels like too much, go ahead and put your back knee down. Maybe keep your toes tucked as you twist. Or keep your back leg lifted if you feel comfortable. 3. Lifting up through the belly as you twist. 2. And then gently transition back into high lunge. Step the left foot up to meet the right foot, top of the mat. Good. Press the palms together, back bend. Exhale, left knee comes to chest. Wrap your hands around your shin. Good. Twist to the left. Left arm rises. Look up and over the shoulder bone. Try to follow the gaze to your thumb. Nice work. Exhale, tree pose. Bring the foot to the inside of the shin or glide your leg higher up the leg. Find the inside of your right inner thigh. Press your right inner thigh into your foot. Lift your heart forward. 3. Stand tall, stand strong. 2. And then when you're ready, release your foot away from your leg and let it go. Inhale, sweep your arms up high. Exhale, soft knees, bow forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine, gaze forward. Good. Exhale, step the right foot back this time. High lunge. Inhale, reach up with both arms. Hands to heart center, hover forward. Good. Now extend the arms back. Fire up the arm bones. So again, triceps, back of the arms working as you hover. Inhale, reach up, chest proud, lift and lengthen. Good. Exhale, hands to heart. Shift. Reach back, hover. 3, 2. Inhale, come all the way back up. And now here's your opportunity to twist. Breath in. Exhale, hands to heart. Twist to your left. So hook and then rotate. Now, option to stay here or, again, put your knee down. Sometimes I'll put my knee down and I'll figure out if I want to stay here or, like I did on the first side, I decide to lift the leg. 3. Keep twisting. 2. And then inhale, transition, reach up high. Good. Exhale, slowly bring your hands down and step up to the top of your mat. Halfway lift your spine from here. Exhale to fold. Inhale, standing, reach your arms all the way up. Bring your right knee up with you. Left hand comes outside of the leg. Right arm reaches back behind you. Twist. 3. See if you can look for your right thumb. 2. And then on your next breath in, we rotate forward, reach up high. Bring your right foot to your calf muscle or grab your foot, bring it higher up your leg. Tree pose might feel simple to some, so if that's your case, maybe send your gaze upward or close your eyes. Take another breath in. Good. Release your feet. Release your hands down. Let them interlace behind the tailbone. Glide the knuckles down the glutes as you open the heart. Bend the knees, fold forward, drop the head, gaze back between the shins. Feel the knuckles lift up. 3, 2, and 1. Release your hands down to the mat. Halfway lift the spine, malasana, so widen your feet. Good. Sink your hips down for that deep yogi squat here as you feel your hips move left and right, meaning open up in the center. Extend the right arm out in front of you. Now take your right arm out to the right, all the way off your mat, and raise your left arm up to the sky. Open up your chest. Reach high and lift and lengthen. 3. Drop your right ear to your right shoulder if you want that neck release. 2. Good. Exhale, your hands come back to heart center. And then inhale, left arm, reach. Exhale, it goes left. Left palm plants down. Inhale, right arm high, open. Keep pushing down through your feet. Good. Left ear, left shoulder, let the neck relax. 3. 2. Exhale your hands to heart center. Sit up really tall here. Lift your heart. And then exhale your hands down. Here's your forward fold, heel toeing your feet closer together. Halfway lift the spine to lengthen. Exhale, high plank to chaturanga, maybe a double chaturanga. Breath in, up dog or cobra. Good. Breath out, downward facing dog. Right leg rises from the back. Reach it up, point and flex the toes a few times. And then step your right foot all the way through. High lunge, inhale, reach up. Good. Exhale, take your time. Bring your hands around the back. Weave the fingers together just like we did when we were standing. Glide the knuckles down. Open up the heart. Good. Exhale, reach forward with the heart for humble warrior. Option to stay on the ball of your back foot or anchor the heel down. And then feel the crown of your head fall to the mat. Try to keep your shoulder bones parallel to the front. 3. Keep stretching with the knuckles up and over the head. Relax the jaw. 2. And now you're automatically set up for warrior 1. So with the heel down, look forward. Keep the right knee bent. Pelvis is still facing forward. Virabhadrasana A. Press your palms together. Reach up. Good. Exhale, bring your hands down to the mat. Pivot back to the ball of your foot if you drop the heel. Step up, bend your knees, chair pose. Bend your elbows 90-90. Squeeze the back muscles. Good. Inhale, reach up. Stand tall, press through the feet to back bend. Good. Exhale, forward fold. Heel toe your feet apart. Inhale, lift and lengthen the spine. Your feet are about a foot or greater. Exhale, right hand under right foot, left hand under left foot. Fold forward. Feel the head fall towards the mat. Good. Hand to foot pose known as Padahastasana. And remember, those of you that are really tight, just bend your knees deeper to get there. Go ahead and remove the hands, lift and lengthen. Step to down dog, maybe a double push-up, maybe just a regular flow with me, down. Press up. Good. Exhale, push to lift back. Left leg lifts on your inhale, full breath in, lift and lengthen. Inhale. Good. Exhale, step through. High lunge, breath in, rise up. Now take your arms in your circle. Opposite pinky on top by interlacing the fingers slightly differently. Glide the knuckles down the glutes. Exhale as you hinge forward. I'm going to go ahead and pop my toes to the right, drop my heel, and then drop into this variation of humble warrior. 3. Can you see your back right foot? 2. Good. Ground the feet, look forward, inhale, rise up. Virabhadrasana A, warrior 1. Hold steady. Good. Exhale, spin to the ball of your back foot. Look forward, step up. Beautiful. Come to chair pose again. Bend your knees, reach up. Exhale, squeeze the scapula. Remember, area between the shoulder blades. One more time, reach. And squeeze. Good. Reach and stand this time. Exhale, fold forward, hands to the ground. We'll take a gentle forward fold twist, and then we're going to make our way to seated. So right hand reaches down, straighten left arm up. Bend the right knee here. Let it be a really casual twist. Switcheroo. Left hand down, left knee bends, right arm rises. Nice casual twist. Good. Exhale, both hands down. Tuck your chin into your chest. Fold it forward. Lift and lengthen your spine. Final push up. So maybe you do a few. Maybe even drop your knees here and we go down and up. 4, 3. What a fun idea, right? 2, 1. Inhale, transition, cobra, or make your shape bigger. Good. Give me child's pose, hips to heels, arms forward, rest. Feel the sensation of release in the arms, shoulders, hips, body. Good. Tabletop. Flip your palms for me. Try to rotate them all the way around. If that doesn't work, just rotate them out to the sides. Give me a cow like this with your fingers turned the other way. Good. Exhale, give me a cat. Repeat, give me a cow. Good, give me a cat. From here, shimmy your knees forward, cross the shins from behind, have a seat, and then extend your legs long in front of you. Good. Open up your feet wide so that they're about a foot or greater. Reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, nice and simple, forward bend. You might have a little bit more room with your feet separated, so if you do, feel free to round. If you're still really tight, that's fine. Just do your best here. Good. Breathe out deeply. Gently rise up on your inhale. Exhale, bring the feet together, one and then the other. Lengthen your spine long. Exhale, fold forward, Baddha Konasana. 3, 2, and stretching the outside of your hips. 1. As you rise up, we're going to windshield wiper the knees, so plant the palms behind you, bend your knees, plant your feet. We're going to go right, hip hop there, left. Good, right. Left. One more time to the right. Inhale. One more time to the left. Exhale. Good. Scoot your bum forward for a quick session on the spine. Hug your knees into your chest. Good. Press down into the low back. Exhale. Feed the left leg long. Hold the right knee right where it is. Push through the bottom of your left foot. You can even self-massage this left hip flexor. You can use your thumb or the heel of your hand if you want to get a little bit more room there. Exhale, right leg rises. We didn't do much for the hamstrings in this flow, just a quick pyramid pose in the beginning. So noticing now in a forward fold, of course, if they have a little bit more stretch, maybe lift your head. Good. Hug your right knee back to your chest. You're going to lay your left leg down. Same exact thing, right hand to right hip flexor this time. Maybe the heel of the hand acts as a little massage. Maybe use your thumb. Really trying to create some space, working around the area there. Hug your left knee in a little bit deeper, and then here we go. Left leg straightens as much as it can. It's never going to go fully straight, nor do we want it to. But we want to try to push the bottom of the foot up. But at the same time, watch, we want to pull the toes down, and that's going to help stretch the heel and the Achilles. So you want to feel that work of hugging down on the foot, not just the foot lifting up to the sky. One more breath. Exhale, hug both knees to your chest. We rock from side to side, and we close this practice in seated, okay? So go ahead, sit on up. Now, if you have longer than 20 minutes, you can take it on your spine and then give yourself a longer meditation in Shavasana. Otherwise, sit with me here. Bring your hands to heart center and close off your eyes. And create a nice gentle breath in and out. Noticing how you're doing, how you're feeling, what you're experiencing with your movement. And I hope you really do have a beautiful rest of whatever you have going on today. Let's bow forward together. Namaste. Thank you for choosing to move with me, and I hope your bodies feel a little bit better than when you first laid your mat down. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment, share the videos if you'd like to, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks, guys.